Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Alan the World Destroyer from Hungry Shark World. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Alan, Destroyer of Worlds from Hungry Shark World, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to curve up and then down for the top of the eye. Then a line's going to go down and up. Next, I'm going to make a little circle here for a pupil. And then a smaller one inside of it, and I'm going to color this in, and I'll leave that little circle white for the reflection. Let's make another line that goes up and down for the eyebrow. And then let's make a line that goes down and up underneath it. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then down here. And then I'm going to curve this up and then down here for the mouth. Let's make a little dot right here for the nose. And then let's make a little broken line for the lip. Next, let's curve this line down and out to here. I'm going to curve this line around and bring it up to here. Make a line down here. Then I'm going to make 2 points here for some teeth, and then 2 more points here. We'll do another big one back here. Then I'm going to make a couple teeth right up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down. And then I'm going to curve a line to here. Then starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and connect it. Next, for the gills, let's draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to bring this around and back up to here. Then we'll do another one that's going to be a little bit smaller. Just kind of bring this around and connect it to here. I'm going to do a little broken line here and one here. And then let's make some different size lines all the way around here. For the fin, let's draw a line that's going to come down and then up. And then we're going to go down and make it a little wavy and bring it back here. We're going to make some long broken lines here. Then starting up here, let's draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to round it off and bring it back down for the fin. Next, we're going to bring this over to here. And I'm going to bring this line around and then back here. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line down. I'm going to bring this up to here. I'm going to bring this line around and then back here. Next, I'm going to bring a broken line right down to here. And then I'm going to bring a line right to here. Then I'll bring another line here. And then I'm going to make some little circles right inside of here for a little bit of detail, like kind of like a little textured scale pattern. And then right here, let's make a little curved line. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw this line down, and then I'm going to bring it up towards the edge of my paper. I'm going to curve this around and bring it back. I'm going to bring this line out and then down to here. Then I want to put a spike. So I'm going to make a line that comes out to a point, and it's going to curve around. We'll do another one here, and then one right here. Then we're going to draw some lines right here. Then we're going to do some little lines right around here. Then I'm going to do a little line down here. And then we just want to make some small broken lines that just kind of go right around here, just to add a little bit of detail on our shark. And there you go. There is your drawing of Alan, Destroyer of Worlds from Hungry Shark World. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.